let's get on with it. Vince Clarke is our first guest. Vince Clarke, he likes being in pop bands, and indeed he must be, because he's been in enough of them. He started off with Depeche Mode, then moved on to Yazoo with Alison Moyet. Later, he worked with Feargal Sharkey in the Assembly, and then he decided to start a new group. And he was holding auditions for singers. After 42 of them, he came across a fellow called Andy Bell, and as soon as he heard him, that was that, and decided to start another group. So, with their latest album entering the British charts at #1, and their concerts in Dublin and London huge successes, could we have a welcome, please, for Vince Clarke and Andy Bell, otherwise known as Erasure? Vince Clarke and Andy Bell. Here they go. Oh, that's good. Not bad. Very good.
How can I explain when there are few words I can choose?